We explain which services and competencies ERNI uses to support its clients with innovation in process and technology. This is Mr. Miller. He is head of development in a large organization and is under pressure to develop a new software application. Multiple internal stakeholders also have to be taken into account. What's more, all of his internal resources are already tied up in other projects. This makes it difficult for him to understand the exact scope defined by the business function and to derive the requirements that need to be met by the software application. Mr. Miller realizes that he needs a partner that can help him meet the needs of all internal stakeholders efficiently and effectively, so as to guarantee a successful market launch and reduce time to market. It is precisely this level of support that ERNI provides, with methodological expertise for intelligent software engineering with sustainable benefits. ERNI's approach to the services it offers is based on partnership. So the consultant, Ms. Davis, joins Mr. Miller's team. She makes sure that ERNI supports him and his team at all stages, from business analysis to the market launch of the software application, as well as optimizing interdepartmental processes. All this is done using the appropriate methods, expertise, and innovative technologies which have already proved successful in practice. In this way, specific business goals can be achieved together. As the requirements of Mr. Miller's department for the software application were neither fully specified nor validated, Ms. Davis helps him with requirements engineering. ERNI supports Mr. Miller's team with additional methodological expertise in order to efficiently identify the internal requirements with selected stakeholders and end clients. This ensures that the software application's entire suite of features is clearly assessed, classified, and specified. A comprehensive evaluation of these requirements is subsequently presented to Mr. Miller in the requirements documentation. This is key to the project's success and helps him make precise estimates of both resources and total costs. This means that the need for additional changes is minimized and a successful product market launch is achieved. For the next stage, Mr. Miller's department has to develop a concept for software architecture. Unfortunately, his team is missing a specialized expert in the field of complex web technology. ERNI can provide experienced software architects who can support the conceptualization process for the software application. To guarantee software quality, Mr. Miller plans to enhance the development process with continuous testing. To save on costs and resources, he decides to use a testing team from an ERNI service center. They work in close collaboration with Mr. Miller's development team. This means that vulnerabilities and requirements not already covered can be identified early in the development process and brought into focus. In the final implementation phase, Mr. Miller needs a project manager. ERNI also provides experienced project managers who can supervise the ERNI testing team on site. ERNI even develops a training plan prior to the launch of the software application. This is delivered via e-learning or specific on-site training sessions for users. This makes it easier to successfully deploy the new software application. Mr. Miller and his department are delighted by their partnership with ERNI. The software application is launched within the defined timeframe in top quality and reflects improved usability as well. At the same time, appropriate tools and methods were used to optimize the team's internal processes. Thus, ERNI offers services that are perfectly tailored to meet the requirements of clients like Mr. Miller, which are satisfied through our key competencies: consulting, training, engineering, and solutions. ERNI enables and delivers.